Yeah, I'm good. Fine. How are you?
I'm doing great, thanks for asking. So, my name is Abanop. What's your name?
My name is Leo.
Ew. Great.
Yeah,
So,
nice to meet you, Abano.
nice to meet you too. So, you will not open your camera?
Yeah, sure. Yeah,
Okay. Hey,
okay.
great. So, I think now you are the interviewer.
Okay,
Yeah,
so let's start. Yeah,
yeah. Let me read the problem first.
okay.
Pairs with specific difference given an array R of distinct integers and a non-negative integer k. Okay, write a function find pairs with given difference that return an array of all pairs x and y in array such that x minus y equal k. Okay, if no such pairs exist, return an empty array. Note the order of the pairs in the output array should maintain the order of the y element in the original array. Example 0 minus 1 minus 2 to 1 k equal 1. The output would be 1 0 0 minus 1. Mm, have pairs k minus y equal k equal x minus y equal k k that we can have all pairs. Okay, so I think uh, I will say what I understood from the problem. The input will be an array, and there is also a k, which is, for
Yep,
example, in the first example here, it's 1. What I should do
yeah,
is return all the output, or return all the pairs that x and y, x minus y equal k, and if there
yep,
is no pairs are achieving that, I will return an empty array.
yeah, that's
So
right.
great. Mm. And the pair contain only two elements, x and y.
Yeah,
Since there's a brute force solution, which will give me a time complexity like O of n square, because I will make two loops, two nested loops. The first one will take the first element of the array, for example 0, and then
yep,
second array, the second loop will be like an iterator over the whole, uh, I mean the rest of elements,
yep,
and then I will compare two elements. If their difference equal k, I will take it. If not, I will go to the next pair or the next element. And
yeah.
here the time complexity is O of n square, and the space complexity would be like O of n square also, because of what I should return is a vector, 2D vector, so it would be O of n square.
Uh, yes.
Yeah. Should I go with this solution or think about optimizing the time complexity?
It depends on you. If you want to implement this first, you can write your code and then we do the optimization. It depends
Okay,
on you. Or if you want to think a optimized one, yeah, you can think that.
okay. Hmm. So my first approach to the time complexity is O of n square, and the space uh, is O of n square also. How can I optimize the solution? Uh, okay.
Maybe try to think about just use one for loop to solve this to reduce the time complexity to O(n), big O(n).
Okay. So I
Yep,
should reduce it to O of n. Great.
yep,
When I think about O of n, I feel like it's I will use like two pointers. I mean sliding technique, sliding window
Okay,
technique. But I'm just trying to think how I will apply this into this problem. Like here.
maybe try to use other like data structure kind of data structure to store this array and then to use this data structure to get what's the target number you want to get.
Okay, so
Yeah,
this also a data structure will help me to optimize the solution.
yeah,
Okay, great. Mm, for example, here the input is 0, -1, -2, 2, 1. If my first iterator is into the first element, which is 0,
yeah,
mm, I will compare it to this, and the second iterator will be uh, I think there is some trick because if the difference equal 1 or equal k, this should be like a
yeah.
trick. Mm, and the array is not sorted. Uh,
Yeah, it's not sorted. We cannot change the order of the elements because it requires us to maintain the order of the y element in the original array.
yeah.
Yeah, did you notice that? Yeah,
0 -1. 1. In the first example, should the output would be like this? I mean, the order here is important in the output.
yeah, yeah. The output of the order of the y element just actually it's the second element in the array. Like you can see the result here is first result is 1 0, right?
Yeah.
And the second is 0 1, is that 0 -1. So the first one here, this 0, this is the first y element, and this is the second y element. So the order of these two, 0, 0 and -1, the order is the same as the input, right? Did you get that? Actually, we need to do the iteration as for this array and as y element as a second element in the answer. Um, I don't know
Yeah,
if you understand that.
I think I got you.
Yes.
Uh,
Yeah. So like
for example, if I have a lot of pairs, we can say I will sort them in according to y as the original array.
yeah, yeah. According to y, yeah,
Yeah,
and x maybe x equals to y plus k, right?
yeah, x minus y equal k. Yeah.
Yeah,
For example, here, if I will go with my naive solution, which will give me
yeah,
n square,
yeah,
uh, I will go accordingly. So 0 -1, it will give me k equal 1 because 0
yeah,
minus 1, it will give me 1.
yeah.
And then like 0 and -2, no. 0 2,
Right. Yeah.
no. 0 1, no. So I will go with the second element, -1,
Okay. Yeah.
-1, -2, yeah. -1, -2, okay. And then -1, -2, no. -1, -1, yeah. So here -2, no. -2, no. 2 -1. Yes. I think I forgot something. 1
Yeah.
0.
And then 1 0. It's a first solution. Yeah.
Hmm.
But
Well,
you can notice the order of the answers is not same as the example, right?
Yeah,
You can you can check the order.
yeah, I will check it.
Cause yeah, because we need to maintain the order of the y element, just like the actually it's the second element in the in each array.
Yeah, so if I will use two nested loops, it will give me these
Yeah,
those pairs. So the output should be, I mean, sorted according to the y, like the original
yeah,
array. So
yeah,
this would be first,
yeah,
and this okay. I think that's it. 1
yeah.
0 0 minus 1. Okay. Mm. You told me before there's a data structure will help me. Okay.
Yeah, for the optimized solution, we can reduce the time complexity to big O n. Just use one for loop.
Okay. So mm, I can, for example, I have so will it uh, does this array have any duplicates? Does this array have duplicates?
No, they are distinct. You can see the first line of the question.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
I forgot. Sorry.
Okay.
Okay. Mhm. If I will use, I think maybe I can use hash map. Uh,
Okay.
I have 0, and the key will be the elements. Like here,
Yeah.
0, minus 1, minus 2, 2, 1,
Okay.
and its value, it would be so this something important. Here we have x minus y equal k, which
Yeah.
means uh, x equal k plus y. So here we have x, so this element will be uh, I mean uh, we have here k equal 1, k is equal 1.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just trying to write the value, I mean the values that will achieve what I want to do here, like
Yeah.
here I have the x, and here I will have the y's that will achieve what I want to do.
Yeah. Okay.
So here uh, x is equal k plus 1. It would be like k plus, I think k minus y.
Um.
I mean this number here 0, uh, so 0 minus k, it will be the here, for example here minus 1, 0 minus 1, it will give
Yeah.
me, oh, but by this way it would be k plus, because it's 1 not minus 1, so here it should be 1. No, just a second, it's minus 1, yeah, because if the first element is 0 and the second element is minus 1, so 0 minus minus 1 will give me k, which is 1.
Yeah. Okay.
So in the beginning here, here I have 0, and here minus 1. uh, I mean like the complement of this number that will give me that I should find this number. If
Yeah.
I, okay, and here I have minus 2, I mean minus 1, 0, it would be 1, because uh, I have -1 x minus y equal k. So -1. It would be -3 here, because
Yeah,
-2 minus -3 will give me 1, and here 2 minus 1, it would be 1, because 2 minus 1 would give me k, which is 1,
yeah,
and here it would be 1, I think it would be 0,
yeah.
because 1 minus 0 would give me k.
Okay.
By this way I know which two elements that will give me what I want to do.
Yeah,
I mean, from these elements I will find the pairs.
right.
So just I want to check something. Here is the output 1 0, yeah, 1 0, and 0 minus 1, okay, -1 -2. I'm not finding this element, this pair.
No, I think here should be -2. This value.
Oh yeah,
Did you see that? This value.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, because let
It's
me
minus
do
one, right?
select.
-1, -1.
Yeah, thanks. So here from these pairs, the output will be a result from these pairs.
Yeah,
But I should check that both of them are in the given array.
yeah.
I mean, are there. So what I can do here, hmm, -2 -1 -3, yeah, I have. I think I will compare these values to the elements here. It will cost me like just one loop. One loop to loop if these values, I mean -1, -2, -3, if these values are in the given array, to check if the values, because it's a hash map, it has key and value. I will check
Yeah.
if the values are in the given array.
Okay.
So by this way I will I will make excluding, because like here -2 -3, there is no -3 in the given array, so I will delete this uh, and now I will have only 4 pairs, which are the result.
Yeah.
So now I have the result, but I should order it. I should make it in the same order as we said before.
Okay.
So how to, now I have the output, but I need to order it. Mm, how to order it according to the given y. Here I have -1, -2, 1, 0. I think it would be great if we change it. I mean, these values will be the key, and this
Yeah.
key would be the value. By this way, it would be easier, because if I sort the map, or no, not sort. I mean,
Yeah.
I will go through them because they are already sorted based on what I did before.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So I will make it by this way. So instead
Yeah.
of that, I will have here y, and here x. Should I go with the solution?
Yeah. 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 Sure.
Okay. Uh, and the time complexity here, it would be O of n, and the space complexity and the data structure I used hash map.
Yep.
Space complexity would be O of n uh, hash map O of n
Yeah,
and the returned vector which is n square. So it would be like O of n square.
yeah.
Okay, let me uh, code it out. I have a vector which is array and k. I will go through the vector. Uh, r- okay, I will create a hash map here, an ordered map, C++,
Okay.
and the key and value are integers. I will call it like map or trying to find a cleaner name like uh, I don't know.
Yeah,
I'll
it doesn't matter. Yeah, yeah.
okay.
Map is okay, I think. Yeah.
Okay, so here I have map. Hmm. Okay, map of, but I will include this include map here. Okay, so here map of uh, I can make something like that. Y is equal x uh, RY minus x minus k. I think this is the equation that we did before to get the elements. Just I will try to make sure. Hmm. Okay, I have element which is 0 minus k. Yeah, minus 1. Yeah, it is. I mean, this would be the second element, and I can create
Yeah.
like int x. It would be the array to make it more cleaner only.
Yeah, yeah, okay.
And map of, we said it would be map of y. No, not y. Um, hmm, here is this element. Oh yeah, map of y. Map of y. It will equal x.
Yeah,
So here we have what we did before, our map, and then uh, I will create another loop to just uh, not create another. It would be the last loop that I will did, but here I will create a vector of vector, which would be the output.
yeah. Okay.
Uh, vector, vector. Okay, integer, and this vector would be pairs or something. Okay, and I will loop through what. mm, okay, through the map, through the given array again, but just now to check if the value of map or the key of this map is already exist in the given array.
Right. But I think we need to go through the map other than the array.
Uh,
What do you think? Because this map, we got this map, and we need to find which element in the map is not contained in the array. So I think we need to first go through this map.
uh, just a second.
Oh, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Just yeah. Follow your mind. Yeah, you can.
Because they are the same, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah. Uh, okay. If map dot count, by this way I'm just trying to find, I have an array of variables. I will try to search if this variable is already exist in the map, but I'm searching for keys. By this way
Oh, okay. Yeah. That's the same. Yeah. I got this.
yeah, I'm just trying
Yeah.
to explain it
Yeah.
if you are not aware of C++.
Yeah.
Map.count arv I. Yeah, by this way, so it's already exist. It's exist. But I
Okay.
will search if it is not exist. No, if it exists, because I will push it to the result array.
Yeah.
I will make vector here to be like one pair, and then I will push it to the result array. One pair. Uh, yeah, and one pair. If it exists, one pair dot push back. I will push the elements into it. So I have I think firstly I will push map of arrow,
Yeah.
and then I will push arrow.
Okay.
Yeah. So here
Yeah.
and in the end I will push one pair into the result array. We can make it like result pairs. Okay, here result pair dot push back one pair, and it's I should return it to the vector.
Yeah.
So here I will return uh, I think that's it, but let me go through the code quickly.
Okay.
In the beginning I'm initializing an ordered map, which is hash map, and then vector to be the result. I'm going through the code through the given array, and I equals 0, I is less than arrow size, and then I make x equal arrow I, which is the given element in the array, and then int y equal arrow I minus k, just to achieve what I want to do from the equation x minus y equal k. For example, through 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1, yeah, and here map of y equal x. So the key is the given elements in the array, and no, the key is not I mean it's not a must to be given in the array. I'm talking about this y. It's just like an assumption from my equation, and then I'm trying to
Okay.
find it. So okay, in the second loop what I'm doing is looping over the vector, and then create one pair. If map.count or here I'm searching if this element uh, map.count arrow yeah, if this element which is in the vector is already exist in the map, I will push those two elements into the pair. Push back map arrow I. Map arrow I is map arrow I. Yeah, it's just a second. Yeah, map arrow I because it's the x, and arrow I
Yeah.
it's y, and in the end I'm pushing it into the result pairs or the result vector, and then I will return result vector. Should I run the code now?
Yeah. Okay. No problem.
Okay, great. Hmm. Oh, actual 4 1. 5 1. Okay. I think it's the same, but I'm returning null vectors. Oh, I think I got something. Okay, I will put here
Yeah,
a condition if one pair, if the size of one pair not equal 0, I will push it. One pair dot size not equal 0. So by
yeah,
this way, I will know that there's no empty vectors or empty arrays would be, or empty pairs. I will
yeah,
run the tests again. Great.
yeah. Well done. Yeah, pass all the tests.
Yeah, great. So yeah,
Yeah,
do
that's it. Yeah, yeah, this is awesome. Yeah, just use the hash map. So this is a key point. If you use hash map, you can reduce the time complexity.
yeah, great. So we can discuss feedback in the end or now
Yeah,
in the end.
yeah. In the end, I think we yeah.
Okay, great.
So